Hit it.
Hey y'all, it's Ashley, also known as a Shay Shay. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be giving you guys a vlog style video. I'm going on a hike today. I'm in the car, about to get out, and I'm gonna record the process for you guys. Alright y'all, I'm about to walk up this hill. I haven't walked up a hill in a minute, so we're gonna see how this goes. And let's see how my breath changes by the time I get to the top. I'm already out of breath. Hope everybody's having a good day today. It's a nice sunny day. It's not going to be the same day when I post this, but anyways, I hope you're having a good day. I'm already out of breath, y'all. Whew. It's already hot. Alright, y'all, I made it up the hill. It was a battle, but I made it up here. And the view just here is really pretty. And I still have a couple miles to go, so I'll update you later. There's like these two guys up there, and I got really scared to vlog because this is my first vlog, girl. I don't know what I'm doing. The wind is crazy, so probably not even gonna post this, but if I do, here's what you're seeing. It might just rain. Not gonna lie, low-key scared right now, but I'll be alright. This is a really pretty scenery, as you can see with your eyes, as I'm seeing with mine. Crickets in the background. Wind just, no, it just picked back up. Okay, we're a little farther out now. The walk is pretty smooth. The trail is really nice. There's a lot of people around here, which I wasn't expecting because of the weather, but it's like vlog shyness, but everything's looking good.
Baby, hit it.
Another update. It's storming. My phone's getting wet. It's windy. But I'm still having a good time. I'm still being positive. But I'm about to put my phone away so it can stop getting wet. Okay, y'all, I'm under a tree now. To not be getting rained on too much, but the hike is still going. I'm gonna finish strong. It's about 3 miles. I'll try to update y'all when it stops raining, if it stops raining, Hopefully it stops raining. But like I said, this is still an experience and I'm still having fun. I'm by myself in the rain. I'll update you later. Okay, the rain let up a little bit, and if you didn't know, my favorite show is MTV's The Challenge, right? And I could just imagine the host TJ making the challengers do something like this, like go up a bunch of hills in the rain, like for the final or something, or for a challenge, and I feel really good. Like, this is the closest I'm gonna get to being on the challenge, because girl, you know I'm not gonna do that. Alright, I'm back under another tree. It is still raining, but it's pretty dry under here. As you can see, your girl is wet. The rain has gotten me, but I'm still pushing through and I'm still gonna make it to the end. It's about 3 miles up here. I've probably done about half of it and I'm ready to keep walking, and I'll update y'all at the next stop. Okay, I'm finally finished. Back to this big hill here, and I walked about 3.5 miles. So I feel amazing, and I'm back where I started. I finished strong through the rain by myself. Hiking was a success. Back where we started at the top of this hill. It feels so good. Just completed that. I made it to the bottom of the hill, and now it's time to go. Wind's picking up. The rain has stopped for now when I'm done conveniently, but it was a really good experience. Thank you for coming on this trip with me. Thank you for watching and supporting me. Thanks for watching.